Did you know that one of the healthiest habits you can start today costs less than a cup of coffee? I'm talking about warm water with honey and lemon on an empty stomach. This simple drink has been used for centuries in Ayurveda, and modern science now backs its incredible benefits. In this video, we'll break down exactly why this works, how to make it the right way, and some surprising warnings most people don't know. Stay till the end for a bonus tip. Let's understand why these three ingredients are a powerhouse combo. Lemon, rich in vitamin C, citric acid, potassium, and antioxidants that fight free radicals. Raw honey contains enzymes, amino acids, and antibacterial compounds like hydrogen peroxide. Warm water helps dissolve honey, activate lemon's enzymes, and gently wake up your digestive system without shocking it like cold water. When combined, they create a detoxifying, immune-boosting, digestion-enhancing elixir that's perfect first thing in the morning. Supercharges digestion and relieves bloating. Ever wake up feeling heavy or bloated? This drink is a game-changer. Lemon's citric acid stimulates stomach acid and bile production, helping break down food faster. Honey, especially Manuka or raw honey, contains enzymes that support gut health. A 2018 study found that warm lemon water improves bowel movements in people with sluggish digestion. Boosts immunity like a shield. Especially in flu season, this drink is your natural armor. Lemon's vitamin C increases white blood cell production, while honey's antimicrobial properties fight bacteria and viruses. A study in the Journal of Biomedicine and Biotechnology showed that honey can even inhibit H. pylori, the bacteria causing ulcers, burns fat, and supports weight loss. If you're trying to lose weight, this drink helps in three ways. Lemon pectin fiber reduces cravings. Honey stabilizes blood sugar, preventing insulin spikes. Warm water increases metabolism slightly. A 2008 study found that polyphenols in lemons reduce fat accumulation in animal trials. Glowing skin and natural detox. Want clear, radiant skin? This drink flushes out toxins that cause acne and dullness. Lemon's antioxidants fight free radicals, while honey's healing enzymes reduce inflammation. A 2017 study showed that honey accelerates wound healing. Imagine what it does for your skin daily. Soothes sore throat and clears mucus. Got a scratchy throat or congestion? Honey coats the throat, reducing irritation, while lemon breaks up mucus. The archives of pediatrics and adolescent medicine found honey to be more effective than cough syrup for nighttime coughs. Alkalizes the body. Wait, lemons are acidic, right? But once metabolized, they have an alkalizing effect, balancing pH levels. Chronic acidity leads to inflammation, fatigue, and even bone loss. This drink helps reset your body's pH naturally, improves mood and energy. Feeling sluggish in the morning? The electrolytes, potassium, magnesium, in lemon hydrate better than plain water, while honey provides natural glucose for instant energy. No caffeine crash. Now, before you run to make this, there are 5 big mistakes most people make. Using boiling water destroys honey's enzymes. Use warm water. Skipping organic lemon and raw honey. Regular honey is just sugar. Non-organic lemons may have pesticides. Drinking it, then eating immediately. Wait 15 to 30 minutes for full absorption. Not rinsing mouth after. Lemon acid can erode enamel over time. Overdoing it. Too much lemon can cause heartburn. Half lemon daily is enough. Diabetics, consult your doctor. Honey affects blood sugar. Here's the ultimate recipe for maximum benefits. Squeeze 1/2 organic lemon. Add 1 teaspoon raw honey. Pour 1 cup warm water. Stir well. Drink immediately on an empty stomach. Wait 20 to 30 minutes before eating to allow absorption. Add a pinch of turmeric or cinnamon for extra anti-inflammatory benefits. So, will you try this tomorrow morning? Drop a heart in the comments if you're excited. If you found this helpful, smash the like button. It helps others find this video. Subscribe for more science-backed health tips and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video on apple cider vinegar benefits. Cheers to your health. See you next time.